And then, of course, the Rural Bank of Paracale, represented by one of their stockholders, Sir Jess. Yes! Thank you so much! Sir Jess, stockholder ng bangko. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Rural Bank of Panganiban. Sorry for that po. So, thank you so much, Sir Jess, for the support. And of course, I would like to thank all the delegates from Antipolo, Borongan, Eastern Samar. We have Naga City, Quezon, and of course, yung mga nandito po sa Camarines Norte. BSC and non-BSC po. Maraming salamat po for supporting this event and for participating. So ngayon po ay labanan ng magagaling sa maliit na alon. Ano? So, we have to admit, we have to accept this fact na medyo unfavorable po yung condition ng alon, pero dito po talaga malalaman yung skill ninyo. Ano po? So, kung mababasa pa rin po niya yan kahit ganyan po ang size ng alon, kahit ganyan ang condition, paano nyo po ipapakita yung grace, yung flow, at yung skill ninyo sa longboarding. So, hindi ko na po ito patatagalin pa. We would like to welcome you all, everybody. And thank you din po sa ating mga partner agencies, our IMT, HEMS, MDRRMO, DAET, Coast Guard, Maritime Police, PNP, and Menro DAET, the Bagasbas Beach Cleaners po. Maraming salamat. Welcome again. Let's have fun and safe serve. Thank you.
Okay. O, mga taga-Daet, mga taga-Camarines Norte. Cam Norte. Oh, mga taga Camarines Norte. Dali, sama. And then yung sunod po dyan ay Quezon. Pagkatapos ng Naga City. Okay, yung Quezon po. Taga Quezon. And then last but the least, ang mga taga Sorsogon. O, lahat po ng taga Sorsogon. O, di ba may usapan kayo na pag hindi nakasuon sa event shirt? Disqualified. Tapos late na, bawas score pa. Ay, ano na tayo? O, taga Sorsogon po. Yan po ang mga delegates ng Sorsogon. Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon, bibigyan po natin ng special message. 3, 2, 1. Dahil-san, Sobro Panggalana, good luck. 10 minutes, servers in the lineup. You have 10 minutes.